Okay, so today we are going to review the verb tener and also learn some expressions that can be used with the verb tener. So real quick, to review, tener again means to have, and it is a pretty irregular verb. It's one of the ones that you just want to memorize. There's not much of a pattern to it. The yo form is tengo, I have. The tu form, tienes, you have. Él, ella, usted, tiene, he, she, or you formal has. Nosotros tenemos, we have. Vosotros, vosotras tenéis, y'all in Spain have. And then ellos, ellas, ustedes tienen, they have, and y'all in Latin America have. So we definitely learned this in Unit 3. We learned how to say someone's age and also just to talk about things that people have. But we can use this verb to use other expressions. These are the three that we're going to focus on in this chapter. Tener ganas de means to feel like. And all I'm going to do to use this phrase is I just have to conjugate a form of tener to specify who feels like doing something. And then I'm going to follow it with an infinitive. So here's an example. Yo tengo ganas de comer. So this is the yo form, so it's obviously talking about me. So this is I feel like eating. Even though in English we say eating, ing, we're still going to use an infinitive, comer, to eat here. So if I wanted to say that she feels like studying, it would be ella tiene ganas de estudiar. Okay, the next one, tener sed. I think that these two are a little bit more straightforward also, by the way. But tener sed is to be thirsty. If I want to use it, same thing. I'm just going to conjugate a form of tener to whichever person I'm talking about. So in this case, ella tiene sed, she is thirsty. Or literally, this means she has thirst. Because remember, tiene is she has or he has. And then the last one, tener hambre, is to be hungry. And this one isn't so bad because I've had students in the past say that it reminds them of a hamburger. And if you are hungry, you might eat a hamburger. So this one is not too tricky. But same thing, we're going to conjugate tener to whichever person we want to talk about, and then just follow it with hambre. So here's an example. Nosotros tenemos hambre would be we are hungry, or literally we have hunger. So here's some practice. I want you guys to pause the video and see if you can do these on your own. And then when you think you have all the correct answers, you can come back and check your work. So pause the video now. Okay, are you back? Okay, so I am hungry. Here are the answers. Would be yo tengo hambre. Roberto is thirsty. Roberto tiene sed. Zoe and I feel like eating lunch. Nosotros tenemos ganas de almorzar. Remember, it has to be an infinitive with the to feel like expression. Juan and Carlitos feel like seeing a movie. Would be, if you want to use their names, you can, but you don't have to. Tienen ganas de ver una película. You are hungry. Tú tienes hambre. And we are thirsty. Nosotros tenemos sed.